guys, so in this video, this is the tent that Danielle and I recently took camping, and I think it was a little bit windy where we went out to. And unceremoniously, one of the poles has a nasty crack in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if this Weld FiberWeld could work either as an in the field repair or ideally as a permanent repair. The nice thing is this is water activated, so at this point I'm pretty much ready to go if you are.
Yes.
So what I've already done is I've already lightly sanded down the area where I'm going to be applying the wrap. Ideally that's just to improve adhesion. So the other thing that I've done is I have put the pole into the aluminum receiving end so it will stay about the right size, and we know how far to wrap it so we don't go too far and interfere with the functioning of the tent. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some water in with the FiberWeld and start to wrap it. Always sunny and seamy.
Well, it wasn't yesterday.
I'm going to say that got wet enough. Oh yeah, that. Oopsie.
Ooh, nice and gooey.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
If you can just kind of like hold on to that,
okay.
And I will start to. Okay, so I'm going to cut the camera here for a minute, but I did get the wrap off. I think I did it just in time. It was getting really sticky, but that stuff is definitely, seems like it's stuck on there pretty well. So fingers crossed. It's not pretty, but I want to give it some time to cure, and then we'll see if the temple is going to work as designed.
Dried up quick?
Yeah, well, I mean, they're not joking. Cures in about 15 minutes. Oh man, those are sticky. In use.
So are we just leaving this on here?
Yeah, that's the repair.
Oh, so this is the repair.
That is the repair.
Well, you're not going to be able to clip something into this very easily. But
yeah. It was a long crack on there.
Yeah.
Well, do we want to kind of
put the pole up, I guess.
Okay. So here it is. Definitely will not win any awards in the pretty repairs department by any means. But if you can't tell, we do kind of have this under tension a la if it was in the real world. The only comment I will say is definitely be careful around, joints like that. I think we're going to have to break that loose a little bit, as I did get a little bit of the epoxy on there. But if you really needed to, you could probably come on by with some heavy duty scissors and trim this down, maybe sand it a little bit, but otherwise I got pretty high hopes for it. So really the true test is the next time this goes out camping, whatever the heck that is.
Yeah, well, who knows? We'll see.
But I gotta give this I give this a 3 out of 5. Now, when it comes to durability, that'll really be the true test, but it's a little trickier than I thought it was going to be to install, I'm not going to lie. And it is kind of ugly, but if it works.
Oh, yeah, that is stuck in there.
We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, that
Might be a slight issue.
We'll figure that out, but yeah, that could be a problem. Okay.
Trying to break this loose.
Well, oh.
Okay, that guy popped out.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Okay. Crisis averted. That's good.
Alright.
Okay. Well, I definitely have to say for an emergency repair, it definitely has potential. You know, and the fact that it's water activated is nice just in terms of
Accessibility.
exactly. So maybe I was a little harsh with my 3 out of 5, but we'll see. It still wasn't as easy as I would have hoped it would have been, because it was a lot stiffer than I thought. But then again, I don't think it was necessarily intended for wrapping around tent poles. So, oh well.